Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to promote Fiverr gigs on social media. Why would you want to know how to promote Fiverr gigs on social media? Well, maybe it is your first time using Fiverr and not sure how to promote Fiverr gigs on social media. So today I am going to show you how to promote Fiverr gigs on social media. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. If your gigs are not properly ranked and you are willing to show your gigs to your targeted audience, you can share your gigs on social media as well. First of all, open Fiverr mobile app. Now you are seeing seller mode and seeing different buttons at the bottom of the screen. Click on profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now you are seeing different options. Click on Share Gigs. Select the gig you want to promote on social media. Click on Share Gig. Now press Copy Gig Link. Now you can create a post and share it on social media to get orders. There you go. If you wanted to know how to promote Fiverr gigs on social media, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.